Welcome to my channel Learn with HS. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to replace sorry with thank you. Number 1. Sorry, I forgot. Thank you for reminding me. Number 2. Sorry for being late. Thank you for your patience. Number 3. Sorry for all the questions. Thank you for your guidance. Number 4. Sorry for the mess. Thank you for your tolerance. Number 5. Sorry, I can't make it. Thank you for the invitation. I appreciate your understanding. Number 6. Sorry to keep you waiting. Thank you for waiting. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more and don't forget to press the bell icon.